You see, in this our Lagos, strange things happen every day. But this one, I won't tell you, it happened in one small street in Surulere on a Saturday morning. The street was alive, children playing 10-10, generator noise humming in the background, and the smell of fried akara floating like gospel music. And at the center of it all stood Mama Ifeoma, the Akara queen of Olanrewaju Street. Mama Ifeoma no be small woman, oh. Every morning, people gather in front of her wooden stall, from bankers to mechanics, even landlords where they form big men, all of them go queue for her golden brown akara. She dey fry with one secret style, crispy outside, soft inside, pepper just correct. People say she mix prayer with beans, but Mama Ifeoma just laugh. But that morning, Wahala came knocking. As Mama Ifeoma dey fry, her main rival, Mama Saidi, the puff-puff seller 2 streets away, passed with her long scarf. She looked at Mama Ifeoma and hissed, "One day, your akara go disgrace you." Mama Ifeoma no answer. She just smiled, flipped another bowl of akara inside hot oil and said, "Akara wey God bless no fit disgrace me." But few minutes later, something unbelievable happened. One fine young man, driving one kicky-looking car, stopped by the stall. He no even join queue. He just walked to the front, smiling, perfume everywhere. He say, "Mama, give me 500 naira akara." As Mama Ifeoma dey scoop the hot akara, the man begin toast Ifeoma, Mama's daughter. "This girl fine, no be small, skin shining like fresh palm oil." Before anybody fit blink, Gbege don start. Another boy for the line shout, "Oga, abeg no cut us. We dey sweat here since." The man hiss, "Do you know who I am?" Before you know it, word meet word, shoulder meet shoulder. People start gathering. Mama Ifeoma look back and whisper, "Chai, today na today." Then it happened. One akara bowl, hot and fresh, jumped from the oil, jibosa, land for the man fine white shirt. He shout like person wey dream snake bite. "Yee, see my Gucci?" The crowd roar with laughter. Even Ifeoma cover face. Mama Ifeoma calmly turned to him and say, "My son, this akara na message. Hot temper no dey buy respect. If you wan chop, join queue." The man vex, but as he see everybody dey laugh, he just bone, carry him keke-looking car drive comot. Peace return. People clap for Mama Ifeoma wisdom. But that was not the end, because my brother, my sister, as people dey buy akara that morning, one elderly man with agbada wey no iron appear. He stood silently watching. When Mama Ifeoma gave him small nylon with akara, the man tasted and froze. He called her closer. "Madam, where you learn to fry this?" Mama Ifeoma laughed. "Now my mama teach me." "Why you ask?" The man smiled. "I am Chief Olanrewaju, the owner of this whole street. I have been looking for the right person to handle catering for my foundation. And today, Akara led me here." Mama Ifeoma nearly dropped her frying spoon. Everybody shout, "And even Mama Sade, that was peeping from corner, nearly faint. That day, Mama Ifeoma's Akara not only brought laughter, it opened the door of destiny. And from that Saturday, the street people know they call, "I'm just Akara seller again." They call her Madam Caterer. But anytime she dey fry, she go wink at her customers and say, "Na Akara save me that day."